Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today, I wasn't planning to do this, but I just woke up and was like, we're doing this. We are getting into my linen closet in the hallway. I'm just in this mode of just only having what I need on a daily basis. Yes, I have a lot of decor for different holidays. You know what I mean? You just saw my big floor-to-ceiling decor storage room. Yes, but I'm talking on a day-to-day basis, not filling my home with just so much stuff. I want to only have what we actually truly need and we actually truly use. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and take care of our linen closet today. I'm going to go through, I'm going to be ruthless, I'm going to declutter all of the sheets that we don't need or we don't use, donate them to people that do. I'm going to put smaller organization bins in there, and I'm just going to make it neat and tidy, easy to get into, easy to find stuff, and I'm going to give you a hack on how you can store your sheets, folding them up easily and storing them so that you can make more room for as many sheets as you need, or sheet sets, I should say. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you my linen closet, and then we're going to get going. One huge tip I have for you is when you declutter an area, don't wait for a whole back end of your car or that kind of thing, or leave it sitting around until you have more. Get it out of the house right away. It lessens the maybe the desire to want to go through, maybe pull some things out of bags, or that you're going to donate. Just when you're done with an area, even if you're just done with the closet, okay, take it to Goodwill. That's what I did today. Everything that I decluttered today went to Goodwill, and then last night I did some decluttering and I took it right, same bag, everything out. So this is what I've got decluttered. I just went through and decluttered the sheets. I did this last year, so this isn't as bad as it once was, but this is what we've got. So basically what this is going to leave me is 3 sets of sheets. The sheets on my bed, a cream color and another white color. Okay, for like spring, summer, most all year round, except for I've got one pair, this really pretty kind of purpley color, light purpley pink, and those are flannel. Those will be for winter. These are different pillowcases or shams that go with the different sheets, so I will put that all together. This is a queen size. This is all of my daughter's sheets. Okay, and then these ones, I'm going to go ahead and take this set up north to our cabin, and then these are all I'm getting rid of. So this is all declutter, gone away, and this is what I'm going to be keeping. But now I'm going to go ahead and show you my hack for folding so that we can kind of keep our sheets, towels, that kind of thing in a better, it looks better, but it also gives you more space if you have a smaller space to work with. Okay, so this is one set that I'm going to use as a demonstration. Okay, and I'm going to use my bed because I think this is the easiest way to be able to lay out and get a really nice looking folded sheet set. So to begin with is our fitted sheet. Fitted sheets have been my nemesis for years, but I think I finally have it. At least it works for me. I'm sure other people do it much more amazingly, but this is working for me, and I think it's easy for everybody to kind of fold and store this way. So I'm going to lay this out on my bed, getting all 4 corners. Okay, so that I'm, all ready. Okay, I'm going to turn this a little bit to the side here. Okay, so we have our gap here, right? Okay, so we're going to take this, put it inside out, so you have this, your sheet is kind of like showing like it's on the bed, it's printed out here. Okay, so then we're going to take this. Okay, wait. Okay, so we're going to take this end, the fitted sheets, this part, and match it up to this side's pointy section here. Do you like my graphic words? The pointy section. So the two are matching up together, okay? And then fold it in half. Fold this in half, straighten it out. This will also help with the wrinkles. It will not wrinkle. Your bedding will not wrinkle as much if you do it this way. Okay, so I'm coming over to this side. Let me change the angle a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So again, I've got the pointy section and I've got the pointy section. And I'm just folding it in half, tucking it under so that I have like a flat sheet. Okay, and so that everything is lined up together. Okay, and I just want to kind of stretch it out a little bit. Okay, so then I'm going to fold it over one more time. Okay, and I'm going to come over here and do the same. I'm getting a workout over here. Okay, so I'm going to fold it over once again. Okay, this little end piece I'm just going to fold under. Okay, so now I've got what looks like a flat sheet. So now I'm just going to take it and kind of, in a sense, roll it a little bit. Try to flatten it out. This is not a great sheet for not having many wrinkles. Okay, and then I'm going to bring this side under. Whoops. Oh wait, no, I'm going to do this. Okay, and I'm going to stretch it out so that I have one full piece. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side. Now I'm going to do my fitted sheet. Okay. Obviously, these are a lot easier. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take corner to corner or side to side. Okay, and then I'm going to go over and fix the other side. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, here we go. Got myself confused. Okay. So now I've got two nice sides. Now I'm going to fold it over one more time. Okay. Again, these sheets are very wrinkly. It's kind of a very wrinkly fabric, but you get the picture. And if you fold them correctly, you won't have this problem to begin with. Okay, so I'm going to fold it over one last time. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just start keeping it nice and just kind of trying to fix it a little bit here, the wrinkles. Okay, well, this one, let's see. Okay, so then where are my, oh, this one doesn't have it. Okay. So then, let me get my bin here. You can see I already have it set in here. All nicely, placed in here. So what I'm going to do now is fold that over. Okay, so that I can, actually I'm going to put these in the back. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the back. I'm going to fold this over once, and I'm just going to put this to the side. So I've got two sets of sheets in this one bin. I can clearly see because it's two different whites. One's cream, one's white. And now I can just put a label on here And it nicely sits up in my cabinet instead of having like a big bin or just, you know, stacking and where everybody can see. It's just nicely and discreetly put away. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my sheets. Okay, so this is what I've got. I've got my king set of sheets that are for winter. So that's clearly labeled. Here's all my extra pillowcases or, you know, shams. Here's the queen. These are all my daughter's, but, you know, I'll have queen size beds down in the guest room and whatnot, so I'll just keep using that. And then these are my king sheets that are spring and summer. So I think this is just going to look so much nicer and just crisper in the closet there. So I'm going to go right now and wipe down the closet so I can go and put this stuff back. Okay, so I've gone through and just double checked this. These are pretty much ones that I do want to keep. This is kind of fall. This is just an extra big blanket. This is kind of when my mom, you know, when my kids were first born and stuff, so it's kind of sentimental. I'm keeping it. Then this is just a quilt that I use at the end of my bed at times. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. And I've got room if I find any that I want to store in here instead of out in the family room. You know, I've got some room to go ahead and put those in here. So I'm feeling good about this. I've got a whole extra thing, and I'm just thinking I might go up to Target and get 2 more of these baskets so that it all matches. And I think I've got a ruggable rug that I'm not using right now, so I might put like, you know, extra rugs and then put the extra towels, the few towels of extra ones that I want to keep on here and not have them way up there. So I think that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to real quickly just kind of clean this all area up and down here with the diapers and such, and then run to Target real quick and get those baskets. Okay, final product. So I went ahead and went up to Target. Yes, they are a different design, same, real close in color, but a little bit different design. They no longer had the ones that I originally had gotten. I went ahead and put in a few extra towels. I decluttered quite a few. And then as you see, I just cleaned up all the candles, wiped, down the cupboards and everything, and just put they're all like like light scents. Christmas is all together, fall is all together, and then like spring and summer is all together. And then down below, I just cleaned out, as you saw, just cleaned out the paper towels, the diapers, extra diapers, and then just the tissue. So yeah, I think it turned out really great. I'm really, really happy with it. And I just feel like we got rid of a bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm done. And I feel super good about this. I feel like it's just neat and orderly. Yes, it was organized. I mean, sure, those bags were great. It was organized. But this just feels like I just have so much less. And if I need something, I just grab it out of those baskets. I'm one that likes to match all the things in the cabinet. Did I really need to go to Target and get 2 more? Probably not. And that might be a little bit bad on my end, but I just like the way it looks. These are very inexpensive baskets at Target, so I don't feel super, excuse me, super guilty about it. But anyhow, I'm happy. I hope I motivated you to get in there and do something that you just kind of really haven't wanted to do, because that's what's been me. I go and I get sheets out of there and I'm like, I don't really like the way this is looking. But anyhow, I just got up today and I said, today's the day. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do this. So I hope I gave you some motivation to get in there and do that. And I hope I gave you some ideas, of folding and how to store yours that will make it as minimal as possible. So hope you had a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment, like, share. It helps me out so much with YouTube. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.